Hey Kings, this is my E36 M3. It is a S50B32, so it's from Europe. It's Euro spec. So today we're going to be able to show you the way that sounds. Supersprint
No
racing and muffler, no cats. The S50B32 comes with stock headers. I don't know how high flow they are, but then a X pipe, straight pipe, I guess, mid pipe.
No cold start, guys. We're going straight into warm. Pretty freaking sick. Dang! Been going hard. That looks freaking sick, dude. She's gonna fly the drone because she knows how to, and we're gonna see how it works. That was sick.
That was scary though.
Honestly, I don't even think we need much more than that. I feel like that's the main. It's a send off.